Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best showerhead filters that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Showerhead Filters. It is a widespread misconception that our body absorbs the most water when drinking. But would you be surprised to have found out that this isn't the case? Would you expose your body to this much unfiltered water? If the answer to the last question is no, then you could really benefit from using the best showerhead filter for hard water you can get. Number 5. Luxury Filtered Showerhead Set 15-Stage Shower Filter. Our top-rated showerhead is composed of premium metal and internal filter cartridge. With 15 stages shower filter, this range showerhead set will amaze you. Main features: healthcare shower system, effort-free connection, water purifier. Number 4. AquaBliss High Output Universal Shower Filter. The luxury AquaBliss SF220 inline shower filter features a multi-stage filtration system guaranteed to purify your shower water. It reduces chlorine and other harmful impurities. Main features: unique proven blend, 2-minute install, money-back guarantee. Number 3. AquaBliss Certified Replacement Multi-Stage Shower Filter. The AquaBliss 220 high-output shower refill targets everything you don't want touching your body while revitalizing, rejuvenating, and restoring healthy balance to your hair. Main features: longest lasting, the best value, 12-month warranty. Number 2. Replacement Cartridge for AquaBliss SF100 Revitalizing Shower Filter. Micro-porous PP cotton and ultra-fine stainless steel mesh prevents filter media and captured sediments. Main features: reduces chemicals, infuses nutrients. Experience the cleanest clean. Premium pure potent materials. Number 1. AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter. Our advanced multi-stage health filter reduces chlorine, pesticides, dirt, helps control scale buildup, plus restores what your hard, chemical-filled water did to your hair. Main features: experience the cleanest clean. Restore healthy. Heavy duty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.